Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Toyota Sienna LE. This, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. We'll get right to the conversion. It's a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very easy to maintain, very low cost to maintain. I can operate the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Watch here. These clamps are a really good idea for this conversion. They keep this ramp from rattling in the back. If you see those designs in the middle where the lever pulls over, I would not suggest them, just from someone's been doing this for a while. Got the 2 handles on the ramp. You can use either one. I'm going to choose the passenger one. Look here, I can take this down with 1 finger. That's all I have on here is 1 finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can easily operate one of these ramps. The ramp itself is about it is exactly 36 inches wide. Entry height is about 56.5 inches. Inside the van is 58.5 inches. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. You can use this for a taxi service or your business. Also, it's great for families as well. It has 8 tie down points, 2 in the back, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front for a total of 8. This van is designed to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. You've got the spare tire there. Headliner is in excellent condition. Between those 2 front seats there, you have about 26 inches of room, which will fit most standard wheelchairs. If you do need more room, you can always pull one of these seats out to get a little extra room. The interior on this van is nearly flawless. It looks about brand new. This van with such low miles, that's what you'd expect. The dash is in excellent condition. Has a steering wheel control, so your driver, whether it's you or one of your employees or your family, can keep their eyes on the road. Has a backup camera, also great for safety. Dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature, and the passengers in the rear can even be a 3rd temperature. Has heated seats. All kinds of plugs and gadgets in it. Got the rear air controls there as well, so if your passengers in the rear can reach their rear air controls, they can handle it. But you can take control from the front if you need to. When you've got all your passengers secure, come back out. Look here, 1 finger. Put the ramp back up. Shut her down. Grab this manual trunk lid, and you, my friend, are ready to roll. This van has the roof rack on it as well, in case you want to do any traveling, have a little extra storage. The van is extremely clean. A few small scratches and nicks in it, to be expected with 9,000 miles on it. The tires are still the original tires, Michelin's on here, very clean. This black shows everything. This van's very clean. I'm not saying it's brand new condition. My goal is to show you. Looks like someone's done a little touch-up paint here on the bumper. We're going to try to get that to match a little bit better. I noticed that when I had it out today. We're going to have our detailer touch that up a little bit, see if we can get it to match a little bit better. It's not going to look perfect. Overall, though, super clean van. And when I buy these vans, I'm the owner. I buy them from the same perspective you all do. And what I mean by that is I don't want something that's been in a flood. I don't want something that's been in an accident. I don't want something that's been out, salvage title or rebuilt title. I don't mess with that stuff, folks. And you can tell by our vans, all the vans on our lot, they're very clean. I hand pick each and every one of them. This van does have the power doors. We'll show you those in a minute. The jump seats in the rear, those are brand new. Excellent shape. Up front, much of the same. Like I said, this interior, if it's not a 10 out of 10, I don't know why, because it's, whew. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Got the owner's manual in here and some other of the warranty books and stuff like that. This van comes with the 2 remotes for keyless entry. It's got a total of 3 keys. Oh, on the Toyotas you hold them, that's right. Hold the button, open the driver's sliding door. Passenger over there, we can shut them again. And you can also turn these to manual if you're going to plan on using this for commercial use. Manual operation works just as well. Actually, probably better, so you're not putting any pressure on the doors, not going to break them. As I go to start the van on, you can see the current miles are 9,136 miles. Fan fires up first time, every time. AC works fantastic. Thank God it's a warm one today. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6. Everything looks good under here. We've checked for any signs of water. We've checked for any damage. Of course, we check to make sure there's no leaks. And I crawl under the vehicle as well. We crawl under the van so you can see that there's no rust, no leaks. And folks, the reason I do this is not because I love crawling around on the ground when it's almost 100 degrees out. The reason I do this is so you know that we didn't pull this van out from some flood. You know, if it's been a flood, it'd be all rusty underneath here. It'd be just nasty. You know, the frame's not bent. So, you know, I don't care who you buy from. If you're gonna buy sight unseen, tell them to get out here and make a video like this. Tell them you want them to crawl underneath the van. You're spending a lot of money. Make sure you know what you're getting. Make sure you're buying from a good, reputable dealer. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've been in business almost 8 years. You're dealing directly with the owner. That's myself, Jeremiah, not some salesman. We have over 500 reviews on eBay. All of them have been positive. I cannot stress to you enough. Find out what's going on underneath the van. Folks, if you told me I had a choice to replace an engine or a frame, I'll do engine 10 times out of 10. You do not want a rusted up, beat up frame. All the flood's been going on around our country the last few years. Wherever you're buying from, tell them to get out there and make you this video. And if they won't, then who are you buying from? So, we checked all the mirrors on this, all the power mirrors, power locks, keyless entry. And this van has been inspected, checked all the fluids. So, this is not some van you come look at. And it's got a bunch of issues with it. So, we've done all our checks up on the vehicles. Now let's get it on the highway so we can take it for a test drive. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. My goal is to get them on the highway, give them a little gas so you can hear the engine run, you can hear the transmission shift, and you can see that whether we deliver this van out to you with our free delivery, that it runs and drives just like it should. My goal is when you lay eyes on this van, for you to say to yourself, that's exactly the van Jeremiah was representing. So, a little bit of rush hour traffic here. I got it up to 60 miles an hour. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get it much higher than that right now. Got the cruise control set at 60. The steering wheel is nice and solid. It drives straight down the highway. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, when you're looking at competition, when you're comparing us, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 reviews on eBay with all positive feedbacks and 0 negative feedbacks? Because we do. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Sometimes they get up to $1,200 or $1,500. We do not. That's not how we do business. The price you see listed is exactly what you'll pay. Do they have free shipping to your home or business? Because we do. We pay the average shipping rate to your home or business. So many of the things we can offer, along with, did they get out and make a video? Do they crawl underneath the van? Do they want you to know exactly what you're getting for the money you're spending? Because obviously, if you're watching this, you know that we do. So when it comes to our service, our reputation, our price, and our delivery setup, no one can compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. I'm giving the van a nice hard brake. I'm making sure no one's behind me. I'm watching. No unusual brake noise, no grinding, no squeaking. So although this van's not quite brand new, it runs and drives like it is. This van should make a wonderful van, whether it be for your business or your family, for many, many years and even decades to come, as long as you, of course, take care of it. If you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please always give us a call first. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. I know your time's valuable. We definitely don't want to miss you. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. You'll probably get myself or my general manager, Micah. And check us out 24 hours a day online. See all our inventory, see all our videos we do like this of all our vans. www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Also, check out our new Dallas location. We are in Dallas, Texas, folks. We are expanding. We're moving south a little bit. www.bigtexmobility.com. So look at us 24 hours a day there. If you're not sure if you want to spend this kind of money on a vehicle you've never seen, Maybe you live in Tulsa, St. Louis, Dallas, call us. We can put it on a trailer. We can bring it out to you. You can put your hands on it. You can make sure you see everything about the van before you purchase. Now, we can't work for free. We can work at a very reasonable rate to get this van in your driveway to make sure you can see it. So, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.